Recording in progress.
Hello, welcome to MyWebUniversity free education videos. At MyWebUniversity free educational videos, I'm presenting you today the direct path to Linux Ubuntu, my book. And on chapter 2, we discussed all the Linux and Unix basic commands, about 28 of them. So today's session, I'm going to show you these 28 commands, the description of the whatis section for each of these commands. Without further ado, let's just get going through the script. So let me go to the next screen here, and I could minimize these other ones and just so I could save time for displaying it better. Actually, it's good, all good. So let me clear the screen here. I wrote this script here called chapter 2 whatis section. And in this one, if I run it saying chapter 2 that whatis and .sh, that shell is going to just present some of the information. For all of these commands, there are about 28 commands. You get a list of these 28 commands that we're going to discuss on these ones. And as it lists them, later on, I'll just talk about the whatis section of each one of them. Within about 8-second window, I'll just explain each one of them in the details of the description. So right now, and the last command is who on 28 and is waiting for me to just continue. So I'm pressing enter, and then it says, what is banner? Banner prints large banner, basically prints posters. If you want to print posters. What is calendar? Ncal and calendar display a calendar, and you can also get it in a Julian format. What is cat? Cat is stand for concatenation, concatenating one or more files to the standard output or to a file, piping it to a file. What is clear? Clear in T-put clear clears your terminal screen. What is date? A date is also print you your system date and time. Date is equivalent on Windows and Linux and Mac and the command. What is echo? Similarly, echo is displaying text on your terminal, and then it is similar for Windows and Linux. What is head? Head outputs the first part of the file. What is host name? Host name shows or set the system host name. What is host? Host does a DNS lookup utility, which is domain name services lookup utility. What is ID? Print real effective user ID and group ID of the current user. What is info? Info like manual pages, like man reads information from documents and readable online documentation that's available. What is paste? Paste merge lines of files into another file or on the screen. What is PS? PS reports a snapshot of the current processes. What is PWD? It prints the name of the current working directory. Print working directory, that's what it stands for. What is uname? Uname prints system information. System -A, for example, give you all the system related information. What is less? Less is the opposite of more. More is just giving you more information, and less is just one page at a time. What is ls? Less directory contents, similar to Windows dir command. What is man? Man is prints the manual pages and the system references. It's like info. What is make dir? It makes a directory. Make directory one or more directories. What is more? More is a file per usual use of filter for CRT viewing. More basically prints content of a file. What is ping? It pings the host name or the network. What is DIG? And DNS lookup utility. It also similar to host. It gives your IP address and host name. What is NS lookup? NS lookup stands for name server lookup. It queries internet name services interactively. What is @RM? It does the job of @jobs for queue, examine, or delete jobs for @RM. What is sort? Sort lines of text files. Basically, you can sort stuff. What is touch? Touch changes file timestamp. It also creates as a file with 0 byte. What is W? W shows who is logged on and what they are doing. etc/etc who do does that too. What is who? Shows who is logged on. It basically shows who's logged on the system. That's the end of this video. I covered all the 28 chapters. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe at our channel. I hope you enjoyed it and have a great time. Love and peace for you all. Thank you.